That sale just got snake bit. The snake here. Today is Saturday, and unfortunately, we're not able to go yard sailing today. So I still wanted to take some time to make a video so that we're not going a whole week without, cutting one, of course. So the reason that we're not able to go yard sailing today, even though there were two community sales, and we're pretty excited, is because there's a tropical storm out in the Gulf, and it's been raining for the last, I would say, 10 hours. It's still kind of raining now. Let's take a look here. You might not be able to see it, but it's still wet, very wet outside. So, and it was raining all the way up to about 8 o'clock. It's drizzling now, so, but it's probably going to start raining again. But anyway, so yeah, we couldn't go out, which is really sad. So especially after the horrible Saturday we had last weekend. But it is what it is. So yeah, so I wanted to cut this video. I guess I'm gonna show you guys what sold. This is probably gonna be a real short video. Show you guys what sold, pack that stuff up, and get it ready for shipping. So just a quick update. We still have the van in the shop. Not exactly sure what they're doing with it at this point. I'm assuming they're fixing all the problems with it because they've had it for over a week now again. But there haven't been very many opportunities for me to go out and source. The auctions haven't been that great, even though I'm not really too keen on the auctions right now. I've been disappointed with those as well. Thrifting has been a little slow. So inventory buying right now, I haven't been finding much on Facebook, Marketplace. Yeah, so inventory buying is a bit slow right now, which again is the reason why we're not making a lot of videos. But also, I'm really not into doing the whole waking up and then showing you guys what sold every day. I don't know. I mean, if you guys like it, let me know, but it's really not something that I think is very beneficial. Selling is the easy part, right? So waking up every day, sourcing, finding different sourcing opportunities, purchasing, spending that money to build up your inventory is the hard part. The reason we sell on eBay is because that's the easy part, right? So they handle all of the traffic and the marketing and everything that you would normally handle on your own if you owned your own website. So this is why we sell on eBay, because we don't have to spend all the money and resources and things to that effect to do that on our own. So so selling is the easy part. So once you find the item, which is the hard part, once you list the item, which is can be difficult doing it the right way. Once you have it listed, that's it. You're done. The only thing you have to do is hope that it sells so that then you can pack it. Some people may not like packing, or they may think that packing is hard, but it's really just a drop in the bucket compared to the whole the whole logistic process of this business. So waking up and doing a video every day of me going and showing you guys what sold is just something that I'm really not that into. I watch a lot of other YouTubers that do it, and I'm just, to be honest, I'm like, okay, so you sold some stuff, no offense to them, if that's what they like doing, and if that's what a lot of you guys like watching, more power to you and them. But I just think it's fruitless. That's the easy part. Again, making sure that you're getting up in the morning or whatever and actually doing that sourcing and finding the products to sell is the hard part. So anyway, I'm done rambling for now. Oh, well, one other thing real quick. So I'm leaning towards possibly going more along the lines of training or mentoring, if you will, as far as videos are concerned. Not really sure just yet, but it's something that we're tossing around rather than doing that monotonous, here's what we sold every day. So anyway, we'll keep you informed on obviously what decision we make there. But anyway, let's show you guys what sold real quick. So let me turn on this light here, get a little more light in here. Whoa, there we go. All right, so we sold 3 plates. These are Hercules plates, and they're just plastic plates. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. But they happen to be very collectible. We sell a lot of these. And let's see, some of these are from McDonald's. This one's from McDonald's. This one's also from McDonald's. Okay, yeah, this one's also from McDonald's. Some of these are not from McDonald's. I don't know why, but they're the same print and everything. We've had a few other ones. But these actually sell really well, and you get them really cheap at garage sales. I think we pay on average $0.25 a piece, maybe 50 cents a piece. And they sell for about, let's see here. Let me give you 1 second. And give you like a breakdown of what each one sold for. So the Hercules, or Zeus, which is that one right there, sold for $9.99 plus shipping stacked. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay, hold on. All right, so this guy right here, Phil, the little troll guy, or whatever he is, half goat, I forget what they call this guy. Anyway, he sold for $14.99 plus shipping stacked. And then, sorry, let's see. All right, and then Pegasus, this guy right here, sold for $14.99 plus shipping stacked. So ironic how things sell in the same day, or sometimes in the same week that you sit on for a while. Do these sell every day? Obviously not, but they do sell. So if you find them out there, and most collectible plates like that, it's not just the Hercules, any Disney type plates or animated, you know, successful animated movies, those types of things will sell. All right, and then we sold finally our last pair of Gucci shoes right there. Those sold for $79.77 plus shipping stacked. Definitely a good sale there. And the final sale on our public store, it was right here. I have this wrapped up, but this is a PSP. I believe this model is the 1001. No, lies. It's 3000. So PSP model 3000 there, which I believe is the last model they made, and then some Sudoku game, and then 2 movies, Kiss the Dragon and Doom. This is actually, I like that movie. I know a lot of people probably don't like that kind of stuff, but I like that movie. I like aliens and fantasy and horror and all that kind of good stuff. So anyway, that sold for $79.99 plus shipping stacked. So yeah, sold 5 items, so not that bad of a Friday for this particular store, which is a total of 266 bucks. So not bad at all for very, very small investments. I think I got that PSP for maybe 10 bucks, something like that. And this, you know, we purchased at the auction, the Gucci shoes. We paid $17.50, I believe, for those. So huge return on profit. So maybe there's less than $30 worth of merchandise there that we sold for 266 bucks. So, all right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack this stuff up, get them shipped out, and then figure out what we're gonna do for today. We might just relax today, only because it is raining. We're on tornado watch as well. We've been on tornado watch since yesterday evening, I believe. So there's that. Plus, there's lots of accidents. Tons of accidents out here in the Tampa area. Jacqueline's mom came from the airport, and from there to here, I think she ran into like 4 accidents. Thankfully, she wasn't in any of them, but that's why it took her so long to get here. Anytime it rains out here, for some reason, everyone just decides to hit each other. I don't get it. Anyway, I think that's it. So, yeah, here and soon we're gonna let you guys know which direction we're gonna take these VODs, these vlogs. But again, we are leaning towards more of the coaching, mentoring side of it. But we'll see. We don't have very many viewers yet. Or subscribers. I think we're almost at 200. But the grind is real, so it is what it is. Of course, we haven't been making a lot of videos the last couple weeks either, which you guys already know, because of the car issues and stuff like that. But we'll get it all together. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, get snake bit.